Welcome to the Richmond Fed's Going Up series. In the short time it takes to ride the elevator, our colleagues will share who they are, what they do, and most importantly, what it means for you and the communities we serve.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Holland, and I'm part of our economic outreach team at the Richmond Fed. I support our on-the-ground engagement with business and community leaders across our region. My role focuses on what we call economic sensing, or gathering real-time insights that help us verify what we think we're seeing in data. And those conversations can help us spot inflection points and emerging trends earlier than some of the traditional indicators might allow. And the better we're able to understand the nuances in how people are making decisions and how everyone's experiencing the economy, the better informed policymakers can be in making decisions that support stable interest rates and maximum employment. My favorite part of this work is getting to learn directly from people who are shaping their local economies, gathering their stories, elevating their expertise, and sharing back insights that make our research and analysis more useful and accessible to the public.
Stay tuned for more rides as we continue to share who we are, what we do, and what it means for you and the communities we serve.